Hi everyone, my name is Ali. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making some delicious chile rellenos. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients here. Chile poblano, we're going to need some tuna, some mayonnaise, some crema mexicana, mozzarella cheese, and queso fresco, and our frozen veggies. You guys are also going to need a plastic bag, but I'll show you guys why later. You guys ready to cook? All right, let's get started. Okay, so we are grilling our chiles. This is the way they look. They've been on the stove for about 10 minutes. You want them to look like this. So this is the look right here. There. Once they're done, you're gonna wanna have something here ready for you to put on the side. So just like this. This one looks ready. That one looks pretty good. Set them aside. Okay, so this is what you want your chiles to look like this. Looking good, ready to be put in the plastic bag, okay? So remember the plastic bag? This is what it's for. We're gonna put our chiles in here. This is gonna help them sweat off the skin. So we're going to place them in here nicely. It's nice if they're all kind of bunched up together. That way it makes it easier for it to create that sweat or that heat that we're looking for. So just like this, nothing special, but see, like this. We're going to make sure that the bag is nice and closed. We're trying to create this heat here that you're seeing right here. So make a nice little knot. We're gonna put it aside. We're gonna wait for this about, I would say, maybe 15 minutes. And we could get started with the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna make our tuna. This is what's gonna be going inside our chiles. So let me move this aside so you can see. Let's dump it out here.
Get out of the light. Get it.
Here we go. I did 3 cans of tuna. I have 9 chiles today, but it depends if you want more or less. This is just my choice. That's what I like. So just like this. Put this aside. We get some mayonnaise. I use about that much mayonnaise. This is also, it's optional depending on how much mayonnaise you want. Some people like it heavy, some people don't. So let's mix everything together. Just like this. We're gonna add our frozen veggies. Mix it in. Just like this. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more mayonnaise. Just so it can create that base. Okay, so that's going to be our filling. For the queso fresco, it's easier if you cut it in small pieces. I think I find it easier to when you're stuffing them. So I would say something like this is good. A little less, a little more, depending on how you want them, but that's how I like to cut it here, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to check on my chiles, see how they're doing, see if they're ready to be peeled. Oh, looks like they are. Let's see, so this is how nice and soft. You see how the skin's coming off like this? That's what you want. So Normally I do this myself, but once in a while I get somebody to help me. So I'm gonna get my husband in here so he could help me take off the skin and devein the chile, or else they're gonna be very spicy. So come on, honey, come help me. Everybody needs an assistant. And okay, so now we are going to devein our chiles. Make sure you cut them right in the center. Just like that. Let's see. Open it up. We're trying to get rid of all the little seeds so they're not so spicy. You could just set those aside. Just like that. Try to get rid of all this stuff in here. Needs to go. If not, they will be very spicy. Okay, so after deveining them and taking off the skin, we're gonna put them here in this frying pan. This is just a quick fry. A little bit of oil. We're gonna add some salt and pepper, just to give it that flavor. So after taking out all the seeds, we're gonna put them here in the frying pan. Medium, put it on medium. Salt and pepper, right here. Okay, so after grilling them around 2 to 4 minutes on each side, we're gonna, I think these are ready to be stuffed. Get them off the stove here. It smells so good. Just like this. Come out. Okay, put these over here. Okay, so let's get our chiles rellenos stuck. Okay, you guys ready to stuff these? I'm gonna use. So this is a good amount for each one. You don't want to overstuff them. It's a good amount here. We're gonna, remember we still need to add our cheese to each one. And la crema mexicana, of course, with that flavor. If the chile is a little bit bigger, then add a little more. That also matters. Some of them are very small. Let's use this one for this one. When you're stuffing them, make sure that you are using the sides to kind of tuck things in so they don't fall apart. Okay guys, so these are ready to go in the oven. They're gonna be going in there for just 10 minutes. We just need the cheese to melt, okay? So let's put them in. Okay. Let the oven do its magic. We're gonna put it 10-minute timer so we don't forget. My gloves. Okay guys, let's check if they're ready. Oh my goodness, and they are. We have one last step. we are going to add our crema mexicana, just like this. Some more cheese. Love me some cheese. These are gonna go back in the oven just for 5 more minutes. And we'll be done. Okay, let's get this going. Let's see. Thank you guys very much for watching this. This is my first time doing this channel, posting anything on YouTube. Hopefully you guys like it, and well, join me next time. Time to eat.